All right, here's your fire sale sneak peek video for November 18th. And we've got number 1, Roman dagger with stand, $12.50. We have 3 of those available. Nice letter opener. Wuggle Pet Monkey. It's build your own pet. It's like basically a mini Build-A-Bear, $7.50. 5 of those available. Number 3, a hot glue gun with 16 extra glue sticks, $10. 3 of those available. Number 4 is a 4-pack knife set. You're going to get all 4 of those right there in the 2 rows. Then number 5 is also another 4-pack of white knives. You're going to get these 4.
And that's it.
And that's it. That's all we have for knives. And then number 6 is the red copper straws, $7.50. We have 2 of those. Number 7 is the 5-pack of ham and candy bars. You're going to get coconut cream pie, PB&J sandwich, seaside caramel, peanut butter cup, and seaside caramel dark chocolate. So one's milk chocolate, one's dark chocolate. So $15 for that 5-pack. Then we have number 8 is a DIY STEM building toys. You can build all those vehicles, kind of erector set style, $15. And you can get up to 5 of those. Number 9 is a shoe organizer, $7.50. 2 of those available. Number 10 is a U.S. flag wallet wristlet, $12.50. We have 3 of those available. Number 11 is a paint by number canvas, $15. Really cool barn scene. Number 12 is a wooden train whistle and a wooden rubber band gun, $5 for the pair. 5 available. Number 13 is a blue bug zapper racket, $5. 5 of those available. Number 14 is a 2,000-piece puzzle of a Roman structure there, $15. Number 15 is a camo slingback backpack, $25. Really cool looking. Number 16 is an automatic pet feeder. We have 3 of those available at $50 a piece. It is even voice activated. Number 17 is a soprano ukulele bundle. Everything you needed to get started. Number $35. 5 of those available. Then, wandering on over to the next table, we have number 18, a pooper scooper bin and rake, $7.50. The last 3 we have left. Number 19, Baby Yoda backpack, $10. 4 of those available. Number 20 is a round stone water fountain. Comes with a pump and everything needed to run it. Really nice for indoor or outdoor use. $20, 2 of them available. Number 21 is a Project 62 set of string lights, $7.50. 3 of those available. Number 22 is a U-Gears engine. It actually will inflate a balloon once you get it all built and running, $15. 2 of those available. Number 23 is a bird bath fountain, $25. 2 of those available. Number 24 is an Old Spice hydro wash. You're going to get a 2-pack. Right? Is that a 2-pack? No, single. $5 a piece. 5 of those available. Number 25 is a copper standing bell, $10. 2 of those available. Number 26 is a 1X athletic zip-up jacket, fleece, gray in color, $15. Number 27 is a walkie-talkie. It is purple camouflage, $10. You get 2 walkie-talkies in each box. 3 of those available. Number 28 is a Flint, brand is Flint, metal earbuds with microphone, plug-in, regular plug-in jack, $5. 4 of those available, and they're black in color. Number 29 is a Vasta veggie slicer, $7.50. 5 of those available. Number 30 is a tea light set. You're going to get 8 strawberry tea lights, and then you're going to get Cocador blue tea lights. You're going to get there's 6 of them available. They are $7.50. Oh, that was the last one. All right, you don't get to know what the rest of them are, so those are only shown on the fire sale tomorrow. We'll see you at noon Central Standard Time, right here on the YouTube channel. And of course, remember, in the end, Jesus wins.